Hey friends, welcome back again. This is Onyx Food Hill. So glad to have you back. Today I'm going to show you a quick smoothie which I usually enjoy during a sunny day. I'm going to be showing you how to make apple smoothie with orange. Okay, for this apple smoothie you will need apples. I'm using the green apples, you can use the red apples. I'm using orange. I'm using milk. You can use coconut milk or almond milk, and I'm using condensed milk as my sweetener. I'm going to bring the apples and the orange into a bowl of water. I'm just going to rinse them thoroughly. When making your smoothie at home, it's best to use fresh organic fruits. They are very healthy and pesticide free, and they are good for you. Next, I'm going to start cutting my apple into smaller pieces. Next, I'm going to peel and squeeze the orange juice. I like my orange juice with the pulp, so I left some pulp. I had to use hand to squeeze this to release the pulp into the juice. The pulp serves as a source of fiber for me. To make this, I'm going to combine the chopped apple, condensed milk. You can use honey. This is going to sweeten the smoothie for me. Freshly squeezed orange juice and half cup of milk. Once I'm done blending, I have a very thick and creamy apple smoothie like this. I'm going to pour it into my serving glass. You can top your apple smoothie with finely minced apple and crushed nuts. I'm using peanuts, you can use cashew nuts. I enjoy this smoothie a lot during a sunny day. You can just serve it fresh or you just pour it over ice and enjoy. So guys, this was how to make a refreshing apple smoothie with just few simple ingredients. I hope you love this recipe. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Until next time, I'd love to see you shortly. Bye.